Can you say, Glama, I love you?
Mama, I
Thank you. So this is what we're having for dinner tonight. Chicken cheddar fajitas with bell pepper, lime crema, and pickled jalapeno. I am not putting jalapenos on mine. I can put them all on Adam's. That's what I'm going to be making. Here are all the ingredients. Some cheddar cheese, red bell pepper, a lime, onion, sour cream, seasoning, a huge jalapeno, and some tortillas. Okay, so it said I'm going to need 2 small bowls, a zester, a baking pan, and a large pan. Okay, so here's what I've got so far. I've got some sliced red bell pepper, I've zested some lemon, I've turned some into wedges, I squeezed 2 of the wedges into the jalapenos. I de-seeded them and took the vein out, and it says to toss these around. But I'm going to save the middle part and the seeds for Adam in case he wants to throw them into his tacos later. But I don't want it too spicy. Here's the onions. Now I'm going to go put some oil in the pan. There we go. Okay, so I've got the onions and bell peppers in there. And then it says to put 1 teaspoon, is this a teaspoon? Yeah. 1 teaspoon of the spices. I'm not a big fan of bell peppers, but sure it'll taste good. Okay, it says like about 4 minutes or so, and it says to season with pepper and salt. Okay, so we're just going to toss that around until it's soft. Okay, meanwhile I'm going to grab another little bowl and I'm going to put the sour cream in there. The lime zest, squeeze of lime juice, and stir in enough water to give mixture a drizzling consistency, and season with salt and pepper. Here's a little bit of, I'm going to throw in a little bit at a time. It smells so good. Yeah, that's about good consistency. That's about drizzle proof right there. Awesome. Let's go see what's going on over here. Oh, timer's up. And they're soft. Let's turn the timer off. Okay, so I'm gonna put the bell peppers and onions in here. So I'm gonna use this same pan to cook the chicken in. So I just washed the chicken, and it says to slice it thinly. Okay, now it says to put another drizzle of olive oil in here. And I'm gonna bring the chicken. Okay? Okay, and it says to coat or to season with salt and pepper. Okay, so I think I'm gonna totally lower that, super low. And then over here I'm gonna do the tortillas and stuff. It says to put it flat, but that's about as flat as it's gonna get. Okay, so this is what they sent, but I didn't have enough cheese because I like a lot of cheese, so I'm gonna add my own. And then it says to place it in the oven for about 2 minutes, not to overcook it because the tortillas are supposed to stay soft because they're tacos, soft tacos. Okay, so there they are. I'm gonna set a timer for 2 minutes because knowing me, I'll forget. Okay, timer's up. So nice. Okay, so I gave Adam the 3 bigger tortillas, and it says to divide the meat and veggies amongst the 6 tacos. Okay, and now it says to drizzles of I'm barely gonna put any on Adam's because he doesn't like sour cream. And then it says to grab the jalapenos that I put in the lime juice and put those on top. I don't think I'll do this step on mine. Okay, so that's what it was supposed to look like, and this is what it looks like. Pretty close, pretty close. We're gonna eat now, see what Adam thinks. I shouldn't have put the sour cream on his. I forgot, darn it. And I went ahead and put a couple of little jalapenos on mine, but if I don't like it, I'll take them off. Okay. Let me know what you think of these puppies. Other than the sour cream. Sorry, I totally forgot about the sour cream. Like them?
Oh, really good.
Cool. I think it's his automatic response.
I don't taste.
Because he never says anything different. He never says what he...
Really good.
I mean, I don't know.
I might get some of the seeds.
Yeah.
But
I told him that I left the little core of the jalapeno and the seeds up there on the butcher block if he wants to get them. Are those hot? Because if they are, I'm going to take them off of mine.
Not really.
Okay. They're, I thinned them out. I cut them real thin. And then I took the seeds out. And then I put some lime juice in there and mixed it around. So yeah.
By itself, it's got a little bit.
Oh really? But not with the taco?
But what I bit into just now.
Where's your watch? No, there's your mini watch. Don't spill my soda.
I think the sour cream kind of offsets it.
It's
really good. Cool. No taco,
so I just tasted it, and I even took a bite of the jalapeno. It's so good. I've never really liked bell pepper, but the bell pepper tastes so good in here. These are the most gourmet tacos I've ever made. Usually I just make simple tacos like Taco Bell tacos, but these are so good.
Nope. This ain't no Taco Bell taco.
I'm glad you like it. Okay, so I was watching another paparazzi live party from my friend Mary Jane, and so I ordered a necklace, but guess what? Today I became a paparazzi consultant. I went live with you guys, and I told y'all that I was seriously considering doing it, and I did. So I will start going live on Facebook as soon as I get my shipment. So the stuff is very pretty. Y'all know that I have a thing for keys. You see the key on my pinky? I always have this. Oh, you can't see it. It's not focusing. But I always have a pinky key ring. And I'll show you this right now. Does it focus? Yeah, it's just a little key necklace because it'll match my key pinky ring. And the earrings aren't keys. They're just little round gems. But here, you can look at it now, Petrova. She's trying to steal it. She loves jewelry. Now that I'm going to be a jewelry consultant, paparazzi consultant, she's going to love every time I get a shipment in. She's going to help me probably unpack it and stuff. She's trying to put it on. You want to put it on? Okay, I'll put it on you and then I'll take video. Look, Petrova. That's your key. It's so cute. Well, it's not your key. It's my key. It's Glama's. But she put it on. She just couldn't resist. She wanted it on already. That is so adorable, isn't it?
Yeah, I got this.
Yeah, those are earrings. You can't wear those. You don't have your ears pierced. We're going to have to pierce your ears, huh?